We are plumbing this bathroom. We are using a wet vent. It's most efficient way to plumb. Use wet vents whenever possible. Let's start with 3-inch drain line. Split your waistline if you need another fixture. In this case, I needed a laundry upstairs. 3-inch to catch the toilet. In order to use a wet vent, you must pick up the toilet first for the wet vent to work properly. After that, you can reduce your line. 3x to bell reducer. 2-inch combo. P-trap. Picks up the tub drain. Then using a medium sweep for the lavatory. This is where the wet vent starts and ends where the lavatory drains. After that, you take the vent to the roof. The other waistline is for a laundry drain box on the other side on the wall. A wet vent can pick up a toilet, then the shower or tub, and at last the lavatory, which will take the vent to the roof. Everything has a 1/4 slope. Always check level, make sure it has its correct slope. Subscribe for more plumbing videos.